Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to publish a drawing in a post in Padlet. Just open the app and open a Padlet, wait a little bit, and then you will have to create a new post by tapping on the plus sign at the bottom of the page. So click on it and then you will see some options at the bottom of the post, but we need something else, so click on the plus and the number button, and here you can select drawing. Now you can draw something nice. It's not too nice, but still okay. And when you're satisfied, you can even change black and white background and the color. And when you're satisfied, tap on save in the top right corner and publish your wonderful masterpiece. And that's it. I hope it will be useful for you.